Assalamualaikum everyone, happy Friday and happy weekend. Also welcome to my IGTV. So we are here to vlog today, and today we are going to the beach, and I'm so excited because we are going like almost after a year. Almost like वाकई में after a year. हम लोग last year August में गए थे, and now so it's almost a year. So yeah, let's come with me to the beach.
And just give in. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm.
Imu, where are we going? Where are we going? Yes, to the beach! Water picnic, yes! इसमें लग गया आपके? And we are here fueling our car. Yay! Imu, I'm vlogging today after such a long time. Do you know this? Do you know what a vlog is? You know? Liar.
You all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me.
So we have arrived at the Turtle Beach and the weather is so nice. और पानी ये है, obviously it's season, monsoon season, तो पानी थोड़ा obviously चढ़ा हुआ है जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं. Yeah, it's so good to be back. So guys, these are my beach essentials. Sunblock is a must thing. You should get it and should apply after every 2 hours. I'm sorry अगर मैं loud sound कर रही हूँ या मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही because the background noise here is really loud. Your shades, a bag, also some pills inside the bag, a hat, also flip-flops or at least a hat. Yeah.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you game, I am willing to jump. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm.
बस आगे भी क्या करेंगे?
Only you move me to the rhythm. We can pretend we have changed, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving.
Also this drink is so good. बहुत ही कोई मजे किया. I'm not lying, this is so good. It's lime flavor. It's of the same company that I mentioned earlier अपनी stories में. The guava juice that I was having with aloo ka paratha, if you guys remember, ये उसी company का fresher. and it's lemon and veg. This is our gang, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, we all are having a great time here after such a long time. And the weather is perfect right now. It's 11:30.
Only you know it's without.
Ilma?
We can pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line, I just can't, and I'm feeling the way I do. Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, thinking it out. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm.
So we are done with our lunch. I'm so sorry that I couldn't record it because हम लोग सबको बहुत जोर से भूख लग रही थी, तो हम लोग ने बस जल्दी से बिरयानी खाई and now we are done and now we are heading back because नमाज का टाइम भी हो रहा है. It's 1 o'clock right now. और बस घर जाके नमाज पढ़ेंगे and relax करेंगे. Yeah, so this is what happens when you are at the beach. मतलब कि पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है स्कार्फ, कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है, but anyways we had a great day. And I hope आप लोग ने भी ये छोटा सा vlog enjoy किया होगा. I'll see you in another vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.